Okay, I'm trying to work this out where I put this 3D printed mount on my Moro 5 medium, which doesn't seem to make any difference. Now, that's the way it's supposed to mount. And the problem right away is that you really don't have access to the charger. That's very misleading. Um, this mount doesn't go down far enough to open and close the flap. That's the first thing. It's a minor thing. So I open the flap, but the problem is that you really can't plug the charger in very well. Now I got the charger, that's the top. You can't plug it in from the top because of the angle. So I'd have to remove the entire mount. Now there's a way to fumble underneath, I suppose, but it's still the wrong damn angle, and I can't even do this. I don't even have a water cage on it. So I get this, I don't have it even screwed on. I mean, so it gives me flexibility. Look at this. There's an interference problem with this this mount and the wire that comes right out of the back of the connector. That's going to do a harm to that wire stressed in it like that. It's a real pain in the bottom to plug this in and unplug it with this thing here. This is not a good design. This, I mean, the only thing I could think of, and then you put a water cage on it, it's ridiculous. It doesn't fit at all. Unless you get a super shorty. Now, this is a conventional water cage that I have, which works very well. Grabs the top of the bottle. And look at this. It covers up the connector entirely. I mean, I'd have to pull the water cage off to get access. That's crazy. So, you know, the design's incomplete. They should have designed this to mount further back, maybe back here, and designed it in a way that it was a little higher and didn't interfere with the shock. It looks like this is possible, but the problem with this design is it only fits over the skinny part of the tube. Down here there's a weld, and that's right where I'd like to mount it, and I can't because the arms are too small. This thing is, I won't say useless, but you'd have to take this off every single time you want to plug in. That's my opinion. I mean, I don't know how people are plugging it in. The other problem I see is that when you put a bolt through here, if that bolt protrudes at all, what's going to happen is that's going to be cutting into the connector wire, which is pressed up against it pretty hard because of the angle. This wants to go up, this wants to go down. They're interfering with each other. This is not a good design.